Hey guys, Alex Jonathan White here, back again with another Alex Jonathan White vlogs. So something interesting is that we had our first exam today. I thought it went well, it was biology, but something that isn't too good is, you probably just heard it right then, I got a bit of the sniffles. And I'm hoping it's not COVID or a cold or anything. I'm hoping it's just hay fever. I don't normally get hay fever, but if it is not hay fever, that's very bad news. Because we're doing exams. I'm not leaving school. All right, I need to do my exams because that decides my life. So what's this vlog gonna be called? Alex Jonathan White gets the sniffles in the worst possible moment or something. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Remember to like, subscribe, ring that bell if you hadn't already. Make sure you comment. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.